the shining light that we bear. We're the only ones to make her brighter, the only ones to make her better, the only ones to make Anambra shine. With our sweat and blood, every breath.
How are you?
Let's go, gentlemen.
Good afternoon and welcome His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Anambra State, Chief Dr. Obiano, to Ivite Eziagulu-Aguleri Nando Road. This is a 9.5 kilometer road awarded to Breco Construction Company in 2018. His Excellency, my interest is that this road goes across farms and it joins communities. This road will equally join two local governments, Anambra East and Ayamelum local government. This road is equally a shortcut if you are going to Soka or Enugu states or the north. And this road cuts through these agrarian communities of Aguleri, Nando, then Ayamelum. His Excellency, there are a lot of challenges because this road goes across so many swamps. But we are thankful, and Your Excellency, we want to thank you for finding worthy in the contractor of Breco. Breco is doing very, very well, Your Excellency. He has been fully mobilized to this site and is working according to schedule. Even is working faster than as we think because of the nature of this road. His Excellency, the communities here, they are very grateful, they're very cooperative. Yes, we have the acting PG of Aguleri is here, and I can see Leo from Nando is here smiling. And James says that the Chief Press Secretary is smiling because this road goes to Enugu State. Thank you, His Excellency, and you are welcome. Thank you.
Even the Maria Lebu, that is quicker. Like we are Nazu. On your bonnet, and you put Aguleri, Buloya, Mobile Million. So if we are Nazu, like a year.
Good afternoon, Excellency. You're welcome. I started that job since 6 months. I will promise before Christmas I will deliver 5.5 kilometers. And in May, I will deliver all the job.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you observed, like I said yesterday, when we visited a couple of roads under construction in Anambra Central and Anambra South. I came today in Anambra North to check what is going on here. Again, this is a surprise visit. But I'm happy that the contractor, Breco, one of my best contractors, is doing a great job here already. This road is 9.5 kilometers and passes through Aguleri, Nando, and Ayamelum. Is the shortest distance. The greatest beneficiary of this road among the farmers here should be Koskari's farms. Because just right the other day is Koskari's farms. So instead of going through the federal road that so far we're having challenges fixing, this smooth new road will make things a lot easier for them to evacuate their things. It's also one of the roads that they can reach in getting to their mill, that is situated at Aguleri. Very important road indeed, linking Ayamelum to Soka and Enugu State. So that's a very, very important road. We'll give it attention and make sure that the contractor delivers this road by May next year, like he just promised. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to see that work is going on here very well. As soon as they are done, we are going to put street lights in them. So that will automatically open up this beautiful virgin land. I can see some people being excited. That's Thank you very much.